At Denver Auto Shield, we specialize in new car presentation and protection. Our goal is to hand over a vehicle that looks better than the owner ever thought it could look, and that can go be used in a harsh state like Colorado without any worry of damage from harmful road conditions or the environment around it. When a car pulls into our shop, step one is a chemical and mechanical decontamination of each surface of that vehicle. We always start with a foam pre-rinse to knock all the loose dirt and contaminant off of that vehicle before we physically touch it with any wash medium. Once that's done, we have a completely pure and clean surface to work with. We wash our cars using the 2-bucket method and very fine and always new microfiber wash mediums. We blow dry with warm air, again, not to touch the surface before we work on it. And then when that's complete, we have a completely decontaminated and ready surface to perfect through the polishing system and protect through the paint protection film and quartz coatings. Paint protection film plays an integral part in how we protect these vehicles. The Clear Bra gives us our impact protection, the protection from rock chips and road debris under both normal use and any enthusiast driving conditions. We invest heavily into tools and equipment that will produce an exceptional result. This allows us to pre-design and pre-cut each section of film before it ever hits the car. By not hand trimming with a razor over the complex curves of your car, we are eliminating any instance where the razor blade would poke through the film and potentially score the paint. In a 2-part paint system where you have a base coat topped with a clear coat, the clear coat acts as the lens in which you experience that perfect layer of color. Just like a lens in a pair of glasses, even minor defects, scratches, haziness, leftover sanding marks from the factory will bend and distort the light as it travels through the clear coat, bounces off the color layer, back through the clear coat and into our eye. By removing these imperfections, we allow a clear transfer of light and get the most color, gloss, and clarity out of the paint. Quartz coatings are the most capable form of protection we can put over each surface of the vehicle to protect from UV degradation and chemical impacts. The quartz coatings are capable of a long-term bond. Where we get months out of a wax or sealant, the coatings can give us years of protection.